Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glider on PS5. First, understand that gliders are typically used for traversing large distances or descending safely from high places. Your game will usually indicate when glider deployment is possible. Knowing the right moment to deploy is key to a successful glide, so pay close attention to in-game prompts and environmental cues. To deploy your glider, you'll typically press a specific button on your PlayStation 5 controller, often the X or square button. This action usually occurs when you're airborne, such as jumping from a cliff or being launched. Always ensure you have enough vertical space. Deploying too low might not give you sufficient time to glide effectively. Once your glider is deployed, you'll control its direction using the left analog stick. Pushing forward will typically increase your speed and descend faster, while pulling back will slow you down and extend your glide. Keep an eye out for environmental elements like updrafts. These can help you gain or maintain altitude for longer flights. For advanced gliding, try to integrate your glider with other movement abilities, like double jumps or dashes, to cover even more ground. Mastering precise landings is also crucial. Aim for your target by adjusting your pitch and yaw in the final moments. Consistent practice across various scenarios will significantly improve your overall gliding proficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.